I joined HealthyNowMD a couple weeks ago, and I'm an entrepreneur. I run 5 businesses, and I frankly don't have time.
I haven't had a really consistent exercise routine in probably 15 years. And now I look forward to getting up. I do yoga, I do meditation, I go hiking and get outdoors, and the only thing I can think of is because of the healthy changes I've made going through this program, it's changed my life.
I love the idea of HealthyNowMD because I'm somebody that has a lot of different hormone imbalances, and I really like the idea of calling a concierge type doctor and I can get all the medicine I need, because I get tested monthly, so it's really convenient for me to be able to get tested and get the medicine I need, and also have a doctor that's really educated in understanding how my hormones work.
HealthyNowMD is actually very, very convenient because you can do a lot of things online. It's a great process, and I think it's very, very streamlined. And that's what I think people are going to appreciate the most, because that's what I've appreciated the most. And when we do that and we can do things online, it's almost like everything that we do online now. But it's never been available before. So that's why it's going to be amazing, and I think this is going to be an incredible experience for other people.
So Americans today absolutely can benefit from telemedicine. They offer access, easy access, convenient access, and are able to work through some of the issues that you're dealing with on a daily basis.
It's like a little tweak here and a little tweak there, and I'm serious, I felt better in probably 5 days. You know, that I could notice whoa, I have way more energy.
I do like the idea of not having to go someplace and having it delivered to me. That means a lot to me.
Honestly, I think HealthyNowMD is very convenient. It really allows for a working individual to receive adequate health care at their convenience.